Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you how to reset OBS Studio in 2025. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more videos like these. So for some clarification, this settings section right here will not assist you in fixing OBS Studio. What you want to do is go up to the top left and click File, then Show Settings folder. Here you'll be able to see all your files. Might not look the same as mine, but this is where everything you will want to delete will come from. What you want to do is, before deleting these files, is you want to close OBS Studio. Then after, you want to delete all of them and then reopen OBS Studio, and it should pop up like you've downloaded and reinstalled OBS Studio for the first time, so that you can fully reset like a full reboot of the app to fix any possible crashes. I hope this video helped, and if it did, please like and subscribe to continue on with these videos. Goodbye.